This video, I will show you how to delete playlist in YouTube app. Let me show you how. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you need to make sure you have YouTube Studio download and install on your Android phone or iPhone. For everyone using Android phone, go to your Play Store right here. Open up Play Store. Then what you need to do next is to go ahead and click on search right here. Then you want to make sure you click on search app and type in YouTube Studio and hit on search. Now here you go. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using this app. After it's successful, so next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on YouTube Studio right here. Then go ahead and make sure you download and install the app. The same way you download and install it on Android phone is the same way you do it on iPhone. After a successful download and install, click on open right here. And it will ask you to log in with your YouTube account details. After a successful login, it takes you to your YouTube channel. For you to delete any playlist on your YouTube Studio, go ahead and navigate to content. And then scroll down right here until you get to playlist right here. Go ahead and click on view all. So here you go. You see all playlists right here. So from the point here, you can select anyone you want to delete. So I'm going to scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. So I'm going to delete this playlist right here. So for that, I'm going to click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and click on delete. And this is going to pump up. Delete from YouTube. Go ahead and click on delete. And you are done. You can delete as many as possible playlists from your YouTube Studio. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.